Students, are you able to see the PPT?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in last lecture, we discussed when we were doing the analysis of this circuit for the Miller's theorem, we have done the analysis of the input section, and I asked you in the same way you should do the analysis for the output section. So many students, they have done that, and they sent me the analysis part at my mail, but not all students, but I appreciate those students who sent it, and almost they have done the right thing. Okay. Okay. Just for the benefit of further students, I will continue with this. We will consider the output side and apply KCL at node B of the figure 1. So we will get this expression IL is equal to I2 plus I0. At this node. IL, here we are having IL is the input current and output currents are I0 and I2. So IL is equal to I0, I2. Now, what is IL? So from here you see RL is V out by IL. So we can write IL in terms of V0 and RL. So IL will be V0 by RL. So it is V0 by RL, and this is equal to is I2, this I2 will be what is the voltage at B terminal minus the voltage at A terminal, right? And divide by the impedance here Z. So we will get V0 minus it is V0 minus Vi by Z plus I0. Now I0 from this diagram, here you see this resistor R0 resistor, resistance of this two-port network. It is equal to V0 by I0. So I0 will be V0 by R0. V0 by R0. So now V0 by R0 is equal to V0 by 1 minute. Here this is RL. V0 by RL. Plus I am just changing the sequence of these two terms because so that I can get exactly in the same way how we got in the input side in this way, right? In this way. So I am simply changing the sequence of this. So here I will take V0 common. So V0 within bracket 1 minus VI by V naught divided by Z, and this will be equal to V naught by RL is equal to mute yourself. Somebody has unmuted. Mute yourself. Now here we know that since voltage gain is V naught by Vi, right? Therefore, inverse of the voltage gain, we write inverse of voltage gain will be Vi by V naught, right? So this we will use here. So it will be 1 minus AV inverse by Z. Now V naught is common in all these three terms, so we will get 1 by RL. We will remove that V naught, so 1 by RL is equal to 1 by R naught plus 1 minus AV inverse by, this is V, AV inverse by Z, right? So with this we can say that RL is equal to R naught in parallel with, so what will the parallel term? So here you see last expression, 1 by RL is equal to 1 by R naught plus 1 minus AV inverse by Z. So RL is equal to R naught parallel to reverse of this term, right? Reverse of this term. Z by 1 minus AV inverse, right? This term we will get, right? Or we can write it as RL is equal to R naught parallel to Z2, right? So here Z2 is equal to Z by 1 minus AV inverse, okay? And this Z2 and this Z2 is called as Miller's output impedance. When? Mail, WhatsApp?
Yes, sir. Yes, if anybody interested to apply the RPS scheme.
Hmm.
This is the only RPS. Maybe mail.
If anybody is interested to apply AICT RPS scheme, please let me know immediately.
That is
RPS is your
research proposal scheme.
in that what is
No,
that?
sir, here. Minutes of research meeting that they discussed are you which scheme you are interested in AICT sponsor that like that everybody asked no sir you we both told that this thing. So here minutes of research meeting kept and read all please give the status immediately. I need to update it 11 times.
You mentioned that you send the mail. Huh?
Shall I inform to HOD? What can I tell? Status means that translation process is over. These 3 units. 2, 3.
What is the minutes of the meeting?
Same thing, sir. What we are
what is
given
mentioned?
that mentioned that
Yeah,
day,
we'll see.
that thing.
This funding, interpretation or chapter remove to consider for applying for funding. Okay.
That's it.
Right. So now we will send reply to it will go to HOD, na?
Just you click there, sir.
This one?
Yes. Yes. Only nice.
It has come from Nageswara sir only, na? Yes. Yes, sir. The reference to technical book writing in Telugu. Following things has been or have been completed. Number 1, discussions with principal sir.
Don't mention honor those things.
Discussion with principal sir.
Honorable. Spelling this wrong.
Honorable principal sir and got his verbal approval. Got his verbal.
Oral, okay. Oral.
Oral. Okay. Okay. And what else? 3 chapters completed, I say, right? Chapters has been होगा, have been होगा. Chapters have होगा. Chapters means have होगा. Have been, has been completed.
Has. Plural no, sir.
No, plural it will come have. But here we are using have. Has been. 3 chapters has been completed. In Telugu. Has been Telugu. Okay.
Okay. Steel.
Capital
Mm.
have been completed, right? Index, shall I write completed?
Completed.
If suppose immediately they ask, you will be able to
Yes, yes.
table of content.
Pending payment. Only
Ah.
pending.
Content
Lead.
proposal writing in progress. It will be completed in a day, by today.
Tomorrow we will
By tomorrow. By tomorrow. Okay. And proofreading will be done by tomorrow, है ना?
That's it. Sir.
Completed by tomorrow. Synopsis completed. Let me write. Will increase the
They mentioned abstract.
Abstract. Huh? Is completed.
Abstract means synopsis only.
Okay. So here I want to add your mail also. How I can add?
CC. We can't. No problem, sir. You send
One
it. Thank you. Something. You copy it and new mail, fresh mail. If it is, then can CC you can put.
Copy. And I will add here so that if matter is lost, then it will be difficult. Okay, so this mail I discard.
New.
Okay, now I think this I have to use.
No.
And
no, sir. Fresh mail.
No, in this
New message.
This to CC. It is also not. Oh, it is coming.
Lalita. Thank you.
Write your name also. Okay. Yes, okay. I got one work. So right. So what we are discussing, this Z2 is called as Miller's output impedance. Okay. See, impedance. Right. Now, same way how we did in input side, if Z2 is capacitance, then, right, Z2 is equal to XC2 equal to XC divided by 1 minus AB inverse. And XC we can write XC as 1 by 2 pi F C2 is equal to 1 by 2 pi F C 1 minus A V inverse. So 2 pi and 2 pi we will cancel out, 2 pi F and 2 pi F we will cancel out. So we will get 1 by C1 is equal to 1 by C 1 minus AB inverse, or C1 is equal to C 1 minus AB inverse, right? So here C1, no, it will be C2, it will be C2. So here C2 is Miller's output capacitance. Right. So in this way, we have done the analysis part of this Miller. So now we will combine input and output side after Miller's theorem. Right. So then we will get this type of network. This is our two-port network, right? So earlier here we were having the impedance which were there connected at input side and output side, but now we have broken that impedance in two parts, right? And one will be connected here, this will be Z1, and one will be connected here, this is Z2, right? In this way. So because you just see here, this RL is equal to R0 parallel with Z2, right? So somewhere here you will connect the RL, right? You will collect the RL. And where is R0? R0 you can find it is the output resistance or output impedance of two-port network. So you will find here, you will find R0, right? So RL will be the parallel combination of R0 and Z1. Now, same way you can find here. This is the input resistance. Just see here, right? Ri is the input resistance, right? So, see here, this RS. This RS is the parallel combination of Ri and Z1. So, here you will find RS. So, RS will be replaced by the parallel combination of Z1 and R1. So, in this way, we have done this analysis. So, in the conclusion, we can write that Z connected at input and output of a two-port network can be removed, right? So we can remove that, can be removed. Right? So we can remove that Z which is connected to the input and output of a two-port network. And once we will remove, then next what we have to do can be removed, and Z1 and Z2 can be connected at input and output side, right, as shown in figure 2. So this is our figure 2. This is our figure 2. Right? We see the number, whether this is figure 2 only. Yes. And another conclusion we can write: if Z is capacitance, then we connect C1 and C2, right? Then we connect C1 and C2 at the input and output side. And what will be the value of Z1 and Z2 or C1 and C2? For this, we have already done the calculation. For getting the value of Z2, we will use this formula. For getting the value of C2, we will use this formula. And same way, for getting the value of C1, we will use this formula here. And for getting the value of Z1, we will use this formula. Okay? Right. Now we will see dual of Miller's theorem. Right? Dual of Miller's theorem. So we have, let us assume, a two-port network here. And here we are having one impedance, right? Z. This side we are having a voltage V1 and current of this port is I1. In this side we have a voltage V2 and current here is Hanji sir. Good morning, morning. Fine. You got that ID? Yeah, same problem is again coming here. That lines at the top, na, you change the screen, na? Yes, same. With you, okay. This is there since last 1 month, so now only I yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, so here the current will be I1 plus I2, right? So we call it as figure number 1, right? Okay, so analysis of this we will do in afternoon class, right? Afternoon we have the class at 2:10, right? So we will do at 2:10 this analysis part of this.